Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to attempt to tidy all this lot up and turn this into this, which looks a lot better in my books. With it being a small workshop and with having like a few of these larger scopes, then I needed more storage space. So the idea was to put some of the big Tech 500 type scopes up the top there, but getting that Hickok 1805 up there yesterday about bloody killed me. Bloody heavy beast. Yeah, trying to get it up there. There's a few times I nearly fell off the little step ladder with that scope in my arms. Like if that had landed on top of me, Jesus, it'd have been goodbye. So yeah, I'm a little happier with this setup. All the main sort of stuff that I use here is all in one place. So I've got my 585 oscilloscope, and I've got a really nice new bit of test gear for the workshop, which is a HB 8903B audio analyzer, which is better than what I had before. This Wine-Bridge oscillator here is low distortion, but it's obviously not as good as the HP audio analyzer oscillator, and also the Marconi distortion factor meter. Whilst good, couldn't go as low as this. This can go right low. I can't remember the exact specifications at the moment. I'm still not got it sussed. I don't know quite what I'm doing. I've got to read the manual, but I can set a frequency and basically just press that to get it distortion. So for distortion, there we go. So that's at about 1 kilohertz, and that is 0.0104% distortion. Got the a sine wave coming out the oscillator and the HP 8903B, which is a gobful, on the scope there. Scope's just there this morning, just making sure it's working alright and it's warm in the workshop. Got another new bit of kit you may not have seen before. This is a Telequipment CT70 or a 71, yeah 71. It's a curve tracer, which I've got to use a lot more because I'm not entirely familiar with, and you've all seen the Small Tektronix SC502 scope. Also saw, this is still pretty much the same. I've got my dummy load there, frequency counter there, couple of fluke bench meters there, and I've got all my parts up there now, whereas they were there before. This is a lot better. I can get at things, see what I've got, and the bench is pretty much as it were. Had a little bit of a change over here. I really need to build like another sort of unit there. Spinning round, we've still got the guinea pig hutch thing there. That really, I mean, if that wasn't there I'd have quite a bit more room, but she stays for the moment. And spinning back round again, just got a big chest of drawers there with more parts, but I'm still struggling because I've got a load of parts in some chest of drawers there, and I've got these ones here, not quite sure where to put those. Put them at the back there, sort of bit out of the way, so yeah, I don't know. Also changed my test speakers, but I intend to build some. I've got quite a few speakers upstairs, some drivers, so I intend to build my own sort of workshop monitor speaker type things. Small profile but deep. So yeah, that's the new setup. I'm a lot happier with it. It took quite a bit of shifting things and trying things and changing and chopping and mucking about before I got it where I'm reasonably happy with it. Now it's a bit chocked up at the moment with bits of wood and things keeping it all separating at the right height, but yeah, it's not too bad. Although on reflection the only thing I am going to change is I'm not going to be putting big 500 series scopes up there. That's just crazy. I'm going to kill myself doing that, so somehow I've got to steel myself and try and get that bloody thing back down. Really wants to block and tackle, but it'll probably pull the roof down with it. Anywho, and just a little short video there showing a bit of workshop changes. Thanks for watching as usual. Ta-da!